What are people with like without 6 or 7 unfinished project vehicles do with their lives? I mean, do they just sit around, you know, enjoying free time and not being stressed? Gotta get this bottom trim off. Oh, it's at the top. It's there, right there. Yeah, well it is now. To get to the tail plastics, there's 2 6mm up there. Right, so that's part of the tail. Okay, well now I can unplug everything and pull this out. Sometimes you can get a screwdriver, put your finger on it and then just gently sort of pop it. So, sort of pop the screwdriver on it, pop it and then see like that. Right, there we go. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. I feel like I'm getting somewhere. So there's a little wiring loop here. There'll be a big plug under here. A big bad boy plug under there. Yeah, you've got some voltage wires going in there. Look at those big boys. I can probably pop these off, drop that out. That should then come through the gap. There we go. Like that. So the ECU loom, from what I saw, comes out sort of in one piece. And it's about 1 meter long. There's quite a bit of it. So I'm just going to see if I can pop this plug up. Sometimes you can get them, sometimes you can't. No, there we go. That was alright. Cool, yeah, look. You can see how many pins, right? That's sending and receiving a hell of a lot of information. Now I want this out of here. So this is actually the ABS pump, which I'm pretty sure is now disconnected. So I've just got to undo the banjo joints. I don't want to like elbow anything. Oh, I think that broke. That broke loose. Yep. So there's a union here and a union here. Okay, that came loose, so it's a good start. Again, I'm not worried about this line. I don't think after I've undone these that these are going to feed back through. I don't think it's going to be that easy. So there's the line from the caliper to the, well, actually it would be to the servo. And then that's the line from the master. Remember, it goes to the servo first, then back out to the caliper. So basically you change this line here and bolt it right back on to where you'd normally bolt. So that's all that really takes. I'm all worried about these flipping hard lines and getting the servo out the top. So line in. So in from the master cylinder. Once it figures out the pressure that you need via all the signals coming back from the wheel speed sensor, it will then meter out the pressure to the caliper that prevents you from locking the wheel up. So I've got that plug out of this, which has a 30 amp, but ABS was drawing power for the pump from here because that's straight to battery live. Obviously that's the fused 30 amp main fuse. Then down here, off of the ABS loom, this is the ABS loom, you've got an orange plug here, that is ABS sensor, so wheel speed sensor. That's that. So that's feeding back into the ABS. So that's brake light switch, and the orange one is ABS. There's a common ground off the ABS loom, which is this one here. So undo that bolt, pop that one off, and then do that back up. That one out, which is the other. See, look, it's a whole master cylinder. So this honking great big plug here under the shroud is just exhaust servo. That's it. There we go. So that's exhaust servo. And that's got a little clip on this bit, which I need for the CDI. So yeah, I don't need the exhaust servo thing anyway. So with that pump out, that's the rear of the bike ABS free, bar the wheel speed sensor, ABS ring and all that stuff on the rear wheel down there. But that from sort of here back is ABS deleted. Alright, so when I come back with the next part, I'm going to pull the bike out and we'll get onto that front ABS pump and the one behind the exhaust manifold there as well. I'll see you next time.